Welcome everyone, this is Eugene, Hughes Motorized. Take a look at this little toy here. VW Fender mini bike. Made the frame from scratch, made the quote-unquote VW Fender from scratch. I did buy a taillight assembly and I had to modify it because it was angled off to the left there. And so in order to get it to mount flush, I had to fabricate one half of it. The fender shell I made from 30 gauge steel sheet. Did all of that by hand, even formed the recess there for the headlight there. Made that by hand. You have a 3 horsepower Lifan 97cc engine on it. Fun little toy here. I used some components from a bike. I used the steering tube from a bicycle. That way I'd have the headset and the bearings. I used the seat post and the seat, so I could put my fat butt on it and ride nice and comfy. There's no charging system on it, but the 12-volt battery. I drilled the headlight assembly and put an LED in it, like an overhead LED for a car. It's not going to be good enough to drive late at night, but hey, you know, people will see you and they'll hear you rolling down the road there. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. Mash that subscribe button. A lot more motorized toys to come. Thanks for watching.